afternoon, guys. I think it's around 12, maybe 1 o'clock on January 24th. We're in Maple Ridge, Fraser River. Got something interesting to show you. On the way down here, I think I saw a sunk boat. You can see the mast sticking out of the water. So, we'll have a look-see through here. It's nice today, cloudy, as you can see. There's a mill over there, working away. There's a junkyard right here. We'll go have a look at that. I'm just going to flip the camera around, just hang on. I want to get it in the way. Let's go have a look at this over here. Okay. There's a junkyard. I think it's Gary's Auto right now. Have a look here. Lots of boats here. Believe it or not, some people live here. They use their boats to live in. Yeah, see over here you can see the fish boat. Stick this over the fence so you can have a look. Here. Nice looking truck here. Look at that. Hard to believe that's junk, eh? Must be smashed up in the front here. You know, it isn't. Look at that. Unbelievable. I bet you that was stolen. You know? There's a turbo and Chevy. You know, it's hard to believe that these vehicles are junk, eh? Huh. You know, as you can see over there. Hey, that's a nice looking Ford over there. Hard to believe that, eh? Huh. Anyway, guys, let's go back and we'll have a look at this boat. We'll see what's going on. Oh, there's the ducks out there, and you see them. Canada geese. The weather's been so nice here that it hasn't been overly cold. It's funny, these geese just, most of them fly south, but some stick around. Yeah. Pretty cloudy today. Can't see a whole lot. Anyway, let's go and have a look at this boat, if we can see it. I'm out for my afternoon walk. It's rained every day for the last 3 weeks. No, probably a month. Every so often you get a break. Oh yeah, see the mast right there? There she is. Doesn't look that big. Let's get up close and I can't walk across there, as you can see. Who knows what you're going to walk into. The wind, we had a bad windstorm here, and I bet you that's what happened. That sucker, yeah, see the mast? Yeah. I don't know if it's that big. It's hard to say. Kind of can see the top, but you can't see the boat, of course. Walk up here a bit further and see the ripples coming in. You know, that's pretty deep there, so you know, it's hard to say. That's definitely a mast of something. It's not that big, so it's hard to say. Well, a mast, it could be a sailboat. Unless the wind has blown it up here and it sunk here. Yeah, you can see a bit better here. Hard to say. Lots of noise here, as you can see here. Lots of work going on here. Big tub. Lots of lumber. I think a lot of it goes overseas. I think the Americans have put tariffs, so I don't know if we're sending any down to the States. Probably some, but a lot of lumber there. Holy mackerel. Yeah, let's get this up and see if we can see it. It's hard to see it up there, I guess, anyway. Let's get a little further here, so we can get a better look at it. Yeah, here you can see it a bit better. Yep, there it is right there. See? Hard to say how big that boat is. The mast looks fairly high. Just saying, eh? That's the first time I've seen a boat sunk. I guess. I haven't done a video for a while. The weather's been so crappy. I wanted to do another one in my car. I might do it on Friday. Do this a bit further. There's that fancy house over there. And a nice over there. Beautiful along here. Hope this doesn't shake too much. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna walk. Don't walk too fast. Tide's in. You can tell because the oh yeah, see the log there? Look at the size of that log. You know, that probably sticks under the water. It's probably sitting on the bottom because of the angle. You know, that's a pretty big log, I think. Yeah, can't be a rock. That's a log. Probably worth money, that log. Oh, we got some people coming here. Most people are nice, they'll say hi. Some people just, when you're filming, boy, I make sure I don't get them in because you don't want them getting too excited unless they want to. These logs right here that are all up here, I think at one time, either big ships docked at it or there was a bridge. I think it was for docking boats. I'm not sure. I don't have the history on it. But you go all the way up. See, all the way along, if you look along the shore, all them logs. Yeah, they go all the way up to the other end there. Hard to believe that. Yeah. Should find out what they were. Yeah, look out here, eh? See it floating this here log? Well, you wouldn't want to have a boat and nail that thing. Especially at night time. This water's cold. Comes from the mountains. It all goes to the ocean. Hi there. Can I videotape your dog? Who's the dog with the stick? It's funny what dogs say. That was nice and stopped. It's about 5 Celsius. I think that's about just under 40 Fahrenheit, I think. Could be wrong, I don't know. You know, you're not freezing to death. It's nice and warm. I got a winter coat. It's a new camera. It's 4K Pro Go, I think. GoPro or whatever. It's a Chinese knockoff, but it works excellent. It's a 1080 high def 4K. Works excellent. Got it at Amazon. Beautiful along here. I know these videos can be boring, but I thought I'd give you kind of a look-see. It's so nice along here. I'm going to do I did a video on the ice storms. I'd like to go back through that and show you what it like after the storm, show you what it's really like when it's not icy. Pretty black out there, the clouds. See where a tree had fallen off, see there? This dike used to be a lot lower. It was probably, I think it raised at least 3 or 4 feet. I remember one year it was just about went over, so they raised them all up. It was quite a few years ago when that happened. Yeah, see them poles all the way along shore, all the way down. I don't know, I think somebody said they were for ships like a long time ago. Like this was called Port Haney at one time down here. The ships would come and drop stuff off. You can see them on the other side. Fort Langley is over, I think, yeah, it's over on that side, but can't see the fort. You know, you can tell those poles are old, like how rotten they are at the top. So they've been here a while. They must go in the ground a long ways to stay like that without rotting, you know. Anyway guys, I'm going to cut it off here, and hope you enjoyed this. I know it wasn't a big thing, but give her a thumbs up. Any information you want, or get in touch with me, it's in the comments down below, whatever you'd like. Anyway guys, see you in the next video, hopefully Friday. Okay, bye bye.